Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Ashok Tolotara Bhagwat. I am from National Institute of Engineering and Technology, Satara. My department General Science and Humanities. I am teaching the physics subject. As a part of International FDP on Environment and Sustainability, I am making this video. The subject in this video is the recycling of lithium-ion batteries. As we know that every electronic gadget have the batteries and many of devices have the lithium-ion batteries. For example, mostly used laptops, mobiles, cameras, sensing devices use as an energy source the lithium-ion batteries, and millions of mobile phones and laptops we use in the worldwide. So millions of batteries, tons of lithium-ion batteries are utilized per year. So when these lithium-ion batteries are spent, what happens when we put is in the waste? Lithium-ion batteries contains the flammable and toxic components, and the risks of this disposing the lithium-ion batteries in the landfills are possible explosions and contamination of the soil and groundwater. So the recycling of these lithium-ion batteries is very important, or the reuse of these batteries is also important. So in this video, we'll discuss about the recycling of lithium-ion batteries, how the lithium-ion batteries are formed and composed, the lithium-ion batteries and its components, the 5 components which make the lithium based batteries. Both primary and lithium-ion batteries are the anode, cathode, electrolyte, separator and casing. In both primary and lithium-ion batteries and LIBs, the electrodes is made up of lithium salt dissolved in an organic solvent. Examples of the lithium salt are here, and possibly the solvents are the ethylene carbonate and propylene carbonate. The reason for the use of an organic solvent instead of aqueous solvent is that the lithium salt react with the water to produce the flammable gases, so that instead of the water we use the organic solvent because this electrolyte is toxic and flammable. The separator are typically constructed from the micro perforated plastics, that is polypropylene, and the casing is typically made up of plastic and aluminum or carbon steel. In lithium-ion batteries, the cathode is an aluminum plate coated with cathode material, which is the lithium metal oxide. The most common cathode material is lithium cobalt oxide, but lithium nickel oxide and lithium manganese oxide have been used. The anode is copper plate coated with the graphite. Polyvinylidene fluoride (PVDF) is used to bind the electrode coating to the plate. The typical composition of lithium-ion batteries is given in this table. So we can see here what the elements and materials used to form the lithium-ion batteries and their percentage. When these batteries are spent and it is wasted, or it is directly wasted in the landfill, what happens? Okay, so the recycling of these components or use of this the valuable and very important elements is required. Lithium-ion batteries and its component, the systematic of the cell is shown in this diagram, and what reactions taking place at cathode and anode is shown here. What is the effects? Environmental impact of the lithium ion battery disposal. When we dispose the lithium ion batteries directly to the landfill, what happens? It can explode when damaged or exposed to high temperatures. Heavy metals such as lead, manganese, nickel, copper, and cobalt used in these lithium-ion batteries can contaminate the soil and water. The electrolyte used in these batteries are toxic and flammable. The recovery of cobalt, nickel, and copper may affect the economic value of the battery recycling process, but we must recycle or reuse it. Overall consumption in the worldwide of the lithium-ion batteries. The consumption of the lithium-ion batteries, the global forecast. The few authors have estimated the global demand for the lithium in future. This demand is expected to arise from the increasing use of lithium-ion batteries in electric vehicles. The forecasts are shown in the below table. You can see here how much amount of lithium-ion batteries would be used in the tons per year. You can see these figures and the lithium for the different batteries and lithium carbonate, lithium in batteries, lithium for electric vehicles. Okay. So huge amount of lithium can be used in the future, and it is very costly and valuable metal. So we have to reuse and recycle it. The process for recycling of the lithium batteries. The commercial process for recycling of the lithium can be categorized as below: physical process and chemical process. Physical process involves the disconnecting the battery and separation of the battery components. Chemical process include the leaching, precipitation, refining, and pyrometallurgy. Few of the worldwide processes used to recycle the lithium batteries. The Recoupler process, developed by the Recoupler ISA. ISA was piloted in France and implemented in Singapore. The Umicore process is pyrometallurgical process which uses the patented ISA melt furnace technology. The process treats the LIBs and nickel metal hydride batteries. There is no pre-treatment of the batteries prior to the smelting. Cobalt, nickel are converted from the alloys phase and lithium is lost of this slag. The Toxco process is the hydrometallurgical process for the recycling of the spent lithium-ion batteries. The process entails the pre-treatment of the batteries, separation of batteries components, leaching, solution purification, and lithium precipitation. The necessary criteria to set up the recycling process. The process must be recover the lithium and cobalt from the battery treated. The process must be able to treat the lithium-ion car batteries. Any waste which is sent to the landfill should be non-toxic and non-flammable. It must be possible to test the process step by step at a lab scale. The process should be made of steps which have been demonstrated at the commercial scale, because lot of lithium ion spent batteries are disposable or recycled per years, tons per years. So we must think about the recycling of lithium-ion batteries. Please don't throw it directly in the waste. Reuse and resend. Reuse and send for the recycling. Thank you.